Hi there, students. In this video I wanted to look at two words, cocky and cocksure. Okay, they both are very close synonyms, but I think cocky has a few extra meanings to it, or a few extra nuances. If somebody is cocksure, they are absolutely certain, but maybe too confident, overconfident. If somebody's cocksure, they are absolutely certain, but I think they are over cocky, so excessive confidence, an arrogant cocksure manner. And by being cocksure or cocky, you are being a bit rude, arrogant. It's rather unpleasant. So if somebody is cocksure, they're too confident in a way that's it's a bit unpleasant or a bit rude. He was a cocksure young man, and everyone was hoping that he was going to fail. Okay, cocky. Again, overly confident, arrogant, boastful. And this boastful nuance I don't think goes necessarily with cocksure. But if somebody's cocky, he has this cocky attitude. He knows that everything he does is going to be good. He's boldly brash and self-confident. He's a smug and cocky stuffed shirt. Don't be too cocky, because your team might just not win. Okay, so to be absolutely certain, but with cocky as well, we've got this idea of overly self-assertive. I'm so certain that I know what is right that you must do what I say. And this then starts to become rather unpleasant. This person is excessively proud of themselves. And that's the idea of cocky. He's overconfident. He's overconfident in his own abilities. So brash, presumptuous, bumptious, hubristic and full of himself. He's a cocky street vendor who knows exactly how to make his money. He was cocksure about passing his exam. I think he was being too cocky. Being too certain that he was the best. And that's the idea of this cocksure. Feeling perfect assurance, but maybe on inadequate grounds. Overconfident and presumptuous. So he's very rash. He has not a single doubt. I don't know, I'm very happy that Real Madrid did not win the Spanish league this year, because they're too cocky. They're too cocksure that they were going to win. They have absolute confidence in yourself, and that's a bit off-putting at times. Somebody who's too cocky, they're too proud of their own ideas. So, next question. How formal is this, or are these words? Cocky, I think I would give a 5 in formality, use it anywhere. And cocksure, maybe 5.5 to 6, but use it anywhere as well. I think cocksure is a little bit more old-fashioned, a little bit more literary. So don't be so cocksure. Learn a little humility. Don't be quite so cocky. Okay, and then the origin, cocksure. Well, the cock is the rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo! And sure, as certain as a proud cock. So notice both of these words are critical, saying overconfident, too much, rather unpleasant. Yeah. I think maybe Mr. Trump was a bit cocky about the recent election. He was cocksure he was going to win. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Cocky and cocksure.